Welcome to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of controlling your home with just your voice or smartphone, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into smart home automation, a beginner's guide, a step-by-step breakdown of how you can make your home smarter, more efficient, and more convenient. So, let's get started. What is smart home automation? Smart home automation refers to using technology to control and automate household appliances, lighting, security systems, and more. The goal? Convenience, energy efficiency, and enhanced security. Imagine waking up to your blinds automatically opening, your coffee machine brewing your morning coffee, and your thermostat adjusting to your preferred temperature, without lifting a finger. With smart home automation, you can control your devices through voice commands, mobile apps, or AI-driven routines. Voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri make it possible to adjust lighting, control smart locks, monitor security cameras, and even schedule appliances to operate at specific times. The technology behind smart home automation ensures not only ease of use but also significant energy savings by optimizing the way devices consume power. Additionally, advanced security features like real-time surveillance, motion detection, and smart door locks provide enhanced protection for your home. Whether you're at home or away, you can monitor and manage everything remotely, giving you total control over your living space. Essential smart home devices. Let's go over the must-have devices to start your smart home journey. Smart speakers and hubs. These are the heart of your smart home. Devices like Amazon Echo, Google Nest Hub, or Apple HomePod act as a control center, allowing seamless voice control, automation, and integrations with other smart gadgets. Smart lights. Lighting is one of the easiest ways to start automating your home. Brands like Philips Hue, LIFX, and TP-Link Casa let you adjust brightness and color using a mobile app or voice command. Set schedules, sync with music, or create ambiance with different lighting modes. Smart thermostats. These devices, like the Nest Thermostat or Ecobee Smart Thermostat, learn your temperature preferences and optimize heating and cooling. They can detect when you're home or away, ensuring energy efficiency and reducing electricity bills. Smart security systems. Home security is crucial, and smart systems offer enhanced protection. Consider installing video doorbells, Ring, Nest Hello, smart locks, August, Yale, and security cameras, Arlo, Blink, Eufy, to monitor and safeguard your home remotely. Get instant notifications and even interact with visitors via two-way audio. Smart plugs and switches. Convert ordinary appliances into smart ones. TP-Link Casa, Wemo, and Amazon Smart Plug allow you to remotely turn devices on and off, set schedules, and monitor power consumption. Perfect for automating lamps, coffee makers, and even space heaters. 6. Smart sensors. Motion, temperature, and leak sensors add an extra layer of security and automation. 6. Wyze, Aqara, and Samsung SmartThings sensors can detect movement, sudden temperature drops, or water leaks, sending alerts to your phone to prevent disasters before they happen. 6. Setting up your smart home. Setting up a smart home may seem overwhelming, but don't worry. We've broken it down into 5 simple steps to make it easy. Step 1. Choose an ecosystem. Your first decision is whether to use Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit. Each ecosystem has its strengths. Alexa has a vast device library, Google integrates well with Android, and Apple HomeKit offers seamless security and privacy. Step 2. Start small. Begin with a smart speaker or hub and a couple of essential devices like smart lights or a smart thermostat. This allows you to get comfortable with automation before expanding. Step 3. Install and connect. Use the official mobile apps to set up each device and link them to your ecosystem. Ensure firmware updates are installed to keep everything running smoothly. Step 4. Automate routines. Create schedules and automation routines. For example, set your lights to dim automatically at bedtime or configure your thermostat to adjust based on the time of day or your location. 5. Step 5. Expand gradually. Once you're comfortable with the basics, start adding more devices like smart security cameras, sensors, or voice-controlled appliances. 5. Keep everything organized within your chosen ecosystem for seamless control. 5. Benefits of smart home automation. Now, why should you invest in smart home technology? Here are some top benefits. Checkmark convenience. Imagine turning lights on and off, adjusting the thermostat, or even brewing coffee, all with a simple voice command or a tap on your phone. No more getting up to adjust switches manually. Checkmark energy efficiency. Smart thermostats learn your habits and adjust heating and cooling to save energy, while smart lights can dim or turn off automatically when no one is in the room, significantly cutting down on electricity waste. Checkmark security. With smart locks, video doorbells, and security cameras, you can monitor and control your home's security from anywhere in the world. Get instant alerts about unusual activity and even lock or unlock doors remotely. Checkmark cost savings. By reducing unnecessary energy use, smart home devices help lower utility bills. Over time, the savings on electricity and heating costs make a noticeable difference. Checkmark customization. One of the best parts of home automation is how you can tailor it to fit your lifestyle. Set up personalized routines, such as having the lights gradually brighten in the morning or setting a movie mode that dims the lights and turns on your entertainment system automatically. Common mistakes and troubleshooting. A few beginner mistakes to avoid. Ignoring compatibility. Not all smart home devices work with every ecosystem. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing to avoid integration issues. Overcomplicating setup. Many beginners try to automate everything at once, leading to confusion and frustration. Start small. Set up a few key devices first and gradually expand as you get comfortable. Weak Wi-Fi connection. Smart home devices rely on a stable internet connection. Weak Wi-Fi signals can cause lagging responses or disconnections. Consider upgrading your router or using Wi-Fi extenders to improve coverage. Skipping security measures. Cybersecurity is crucial in a smart home. Always update firmware, enable two-factor authentication when available, and use strong, unique passwords for each device to prevent unauthorized access. 5. Neglecting automation features. Many people underutilize their smart devices. 5. Explore automation features like geofencing, voice routines, and scheduled tasks to maximize efficiency and convenience. 5. Future of smart homes. Smart home technology is evolving rapidly. In the near future, we'll see AI-powered automation that adapts to your lifestyle without requiring manual input. Imagine a home that learns your daily routine, adjusts the temperature before you arrive, and even preps your coffee based on your wake-up time. Security is also advancing. Facial recognition, biometric locks, and AI-driven surveillance systems will soon make homes even safer. Seamless integration between devices will ensure your smart home ecosystem works in perfect harmony, reducing manual configurations and making automation more intuitive than ever. The future of smart homes is exciting, and getting started today puts you ahead of the curve. So, whether you're just beginning or looking to upgrade, now is the perfect time to embrace this technology. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to smart home automation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech content. Also, let us know in the comments, what's your favorite smart home gadget? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.